Good afternoon, Big Con here with Techout. Today we're going to be checking out this controller charging stand. This is the brand right here, Mimd. I'm pretty sure that's a D right there, so I don't know exactly how to say that, but that is the brand. I will link it down in the Amazon description if you are in the YouTube description if you are interested to Amazon, where you can pick this up. This is a dual controller charger. It comes with the stand, 2 batteries, and a micro USB cable. So we're going to go ahead and pop it open here. I do have my Xbox controller here, so we can go ahead and try it out. So here we have 1 battery, and it looks like it does have micro USB on it as well. So it looks like you will be able to charge it as you play without having to dock it, which is nice. We'll try that out. There is your stand. And then here is your micro USB charger. You can plug this into your Xbox and charge it that way. I would recommend using maybe like a USB wall adapter though. It may charge a little bit faster. Charging 2 controllers on 1 stand off the built-in Xbox USB is probably going to take a little while. But let me grab a battery pack here and we'll go ahead and put it in the controller. I also want to try this with the Elite controller because last time when I got a battery pack for the Elite controller, it did not work because they were a little bit different. If I can get that one out, there we go. So this one is, let's see, looks like it goes in like so. So it just snaps in just like that, and then you do have your contact point right here for if you put it down on the base, and then you also have, like I said, your micro USB. I don't think it'll charge to the regular controller micro USB, so you'll probably have to plug it in right here. Let me grab a battery bank and let me grab my Elite controller and we'll try it on there as well. Okay, so I've got it plugged in. It did work with the Elite controller as well. Battery fit in just fine. So we're going to try first off by plugging it in and seeing what happens. Yep, so we do have a charging light right there. So that is good. So you can charge from that USB port. Battery does work, controller turns on. Now we're going to go ahead and plug in the actual base itself. And you can see here it lights up, so it gives you the status of each controller. See, so we're going to put this one down, and that one turned red. And go ahead and put that one down, and that one turned red as well, so you can tell that they are charging. So there's a better view of that. It's kind of hard to see because of the reflection, but there's that. They're both charging. When you take one off, it goes to green. It looks like the connection is kind of iffy though. If you move it, they kind of like flicker, but it is charging. Looks like it's working pretty well. So everything works, and that is the Mimd, however you want to say it, controller charger for the Xbox One controllers. It does work with the any Xbox One controller. You can see right here it says One, Slim, X. They all use the same controllers, so there's no difference there. But this has been Colin with Techout. Go ahead and check out the link in the description to Amazon, where you can pick one of these up or check one out for yourself. This has been Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and have a great day.